Okay, I've got a great idea now. I'm going to show you. Bear with me. Christmas, 6 months away. I'm in training. Bear with me. My Christmas tree this year, I'm going to make it from lettuce. Yes, lettuce. Bear with me. I'm going to show you the first attempt that I've done. Lettuce. Told you, lettuce Christmas tree. Only one thing missing though, on top. Now it's just right. Lettuce Christmas tree. Told you, lettuce. Lettuce is the way to go. Gorgeous Christmas tree with a fez. Beautiful. Make yourself a Christmas tree with a fez and lettuce. I want to see your photos. Send them in. Got to see them. Lettuce.